In this video, I'll show you how to export only audio in Premiere Pro. So this is very easy. Here is the audio that I'm exporting. If you have a different window, or if you're on Windows 10, it is a sped up version of a tutorial video that I created for another tutorial video. Anyway, we're going to export it. So the first thing you need to do is highlight the clip that you want to export. So find the start of the clip and click I on the keyboard, and that's going to mark the in point. You can then drag this cursor and make sure it snaps to the start of the clip. Then go and highlight the end by clicking somewhere near the end. Click O on the keyboard for out, and it's going to mark that. And then again, drag that to the end of the clip. Once you've got your clip highlighted that you want to export, go File in the top left-hand corner, then go to Export, then click on Media. Once you've done that, it will load up this media window and we can now export it. Now by default, you'll probably be in MP4 format and it should be H.264. That's going to be for online video. But if we only want audio, click on Format. You can change this to any audio format. Now the most common one that I would recommend is MP3. So if you click on MP3, it's going to remove the video. You can then click Export. And there you go, you've just exported it as a .mp3 file. So that will then be in the file location and it will just be an audio file. So that's how you do it. You don't have to do anything else.